Hello everyone, this is Deb. Welcome or welcome back. This is the hashtag 52 Weeks of Colorspiration, which is hosted by Left-Handed Crafter, and I'm participating with her every week this year, hopefully. And then on the every Sunday at 11 Eastern, 10 Central, you figure it out for the rest of you folks, sorry. I should just get a schedule, but you know. Anyway, and then the last Sunday of every month, we are coloring the same page and we'll show you how we do it differently or the same or whatever, because we don't know what each other's going to do with those pages. But we have pre-selected a certain page out of the books we've shown in the past, which is not this one. Uh, well, here they are, I think. Which are, well, this one or this one, just quickly. And they're linked down below. They're on Amazon. But I'm using this book again. Now, I finished the page from last week, so let me show you that. It's this one that I hadn't finished coloring in the gnomes and things. I didn't do the border, I just saw that. And I'll probably do that in the purple that I use for the snow, I think. I did end up using alcohol markers on almost, well, all of this really. And they were all Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers. So that's what I used. And I won't go into that too much. So I finished this just the other day, I think yesterday, Friday, maybe Friday or Saturday. I don't know. And this one I just finished this morning. So today, for those of you in the United States, it's Super Bowl day, Super Bowl Sunday. Football is a big thing in the United States now. Disclaimer, I am not a football person. I'm not much of a sports person, period. I like walking and, you know, a little bit of strength training, and that's about the extent of my athletic abilities. But it is Super Bowl, and I'm in the Philadelphia region, and the Phillies are going to the Super Bowl. They're playing Kansas City Chiefs, I believe, but they're playing in, I don't remember exactly, somewhere down south where it's not icing and snowing or freezing cold. Hopefully, hopefully it's not. So anyway, I colored it with a combination of alcohol markers in the background and these gray letters up here. Mostly though, I used a combination of Prismacolor and Arteza colored pencils because I keep them both. They're both wax-based pencils and I keep them in the same case together because to me they have a very similar feel. Honestly, I blasphemy, I like the Arteza ones better. They don't seem to break as much on me. Whenever I sharpen the Prismacolor, the points break almost right away. So anyway, but I used a combination of them, and then I also used various metallic and I think one neon or two. Not neon, pastel. One pastel, one or two on something, hearts or something, I forget. And I used a white, which is in the pastels also. The white pastel on the footballs. No, that's not true. On the footballs, I used Jelly Roll. And I think on these hands too. Now, I did not do anything on these two guys' beards. And they have a girl with the helmet on, so yippee, woman, go woman. So that's my page for this week because, like I said, today, February 9th, is Super Bowl Sunday. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a question for those of you who like gnomes. Are these just their hands? Because I always make them mittens, but come spring, I don't think I'm going to be doing mittens so much anymore, right? Oh, and also, by the way, Eagle's colors are green, white, gray, and black. Mostly green and white, but with some black and gray. So that's why you see this. And of course, the footballs are brown and white. This one, I started off using alcohol markers, and I thought, and for a small area, that's not going to work. So then I switched to the colored pencils, and I use colored pencils for all the detail-y kind of stuff except these signs. Here, see, this is a sharpened black pencil, but then I switched to metallic marker for, or yeah, pen, metallic pen for this one, and it looks so much better than that, I think. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, I have a combination, and around the edge here is also metallic pen in a green color. And then this is alcohol marker gone over with a little pencil, and that's it. So yeah, that's my page. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to check out Left-Handed Crafter, and if Polly's, I think she changed her channel name. Polly's Coloring and Crafts, I think, or something like that. She'll be linked down below too. She's been playing along with us. So go check her out and use the hashtag and see if anyone else played along this week too. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful Super Bowl Sunday, or just Sunday if you're not in the United States. So, yeah, take care. Hugs, love, and peace.